In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook Lite video option not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook Lite app. Click on Facebook Lite. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Manage space. Clear. Then clear cache. Now open Facebook Lite. Click on it. You can see that Facebook video option. If this method not working, click on three dot. Now click on logout. Yes. Now log in again. Now you can see that Facebook video option. Now I hope that this method working for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.